Congratulations on your recent Piston family product purchase. We are stoked you are part of the Kuat family. Here's a quick video to help walk you through the super simple assembly of your add-on. A few things before you get started. For much easier installation, we recommend inserting the add-on with the Piston Pro X already installed in your vehicle hitch. Read the assembly guide before starting the assembly. Locate and audit the provided parts. Lay them out for easier assembly. Unlock the built-in 8mm security hex key and use it to remove the center bolt on the end cap. Once the bolt is removed, pull the end cap from the Piston Pro X center beam. Connect the wiring harness found taped on the inside of the Piston Pro X center beam and the 4-prong port found on the add-on center beam tab. Insert the add-on into the Piston Pro X. Using the 8mm security hex key, alternate tightening each bolt fully to 20 to 30 Newton meters. Do not exceed 30 Newton meters. Reinstall the Piston Pro X end cap and tighten the end cap bolt. Install and secure the security hex key into the piston end cap. Each Piston Pro X add-on tire tray features an easy clip tab that will hook into a slot on the center beam, allowing the tire tray to hang in place during assembly. Connect C-tray wiring harness to center beam wiring harness. Hook labeled C-tray to C position on center beam. Connect D-tray wiring harness to center beam wiring harness. Hook labeled D-tray to D position on center beam. If assembling a one-bike add-on, wiring harness connectors will be on the A and B trays. Your Piston Pro X add-on arrived with security tabs beneath each one-tap lever to ensure safe shipping. Pull each tab upward to remove them and operate the levers. Opening piston arms provides easier access to tray bolt and tray nut locations. Insert the M10 bolt into A tray, through the center beam and into the M10 nut. Tighten with 8mm hex key. Feel free to reach out to customer service by emailing info@kuat.com if you have any questions during assembly. Be sure to register your rack using the information provided in your box. Don't forget, this rack, like all of our products, are covered by our No Worries warranty. We've got your rack and your back.